DJ Ill Will.
If I reach for the sky and I aim for the stars, maybe I'll find something along the way. And no matter how you count me out, I will never let you break me down. No, never say never.
I guess life don't mean as much when it ain't hard. So I just wake up every morning and I thank God. I'm from a hood full of fallen stars and broken wishes, and a lot of potholes on my road to riches. I know niggas is throwing shade, but why would I mind? If nobody ever shadows you, then how would you shine? I mean, they tried for so long just to break me down. I need a new hobby, I'm bored with killing my haters now. Plus I came way too far to really care for slackers. Now I just tell my driver, take me anywhere but backwards. Cause when you fall, you know getting up takes a while. At least you get to look all your fears in the face and smile. Yeah, I'm smiling in the face of fear. If anything, they was afraid that I would make it here. They said I'd never fly to the moon. I guess I'm doing better than everybody assumed.
If I reach for the sky and I aim for the stars, maybe I'll find something along the way. And no matter how you count me out, I will never let you break me down. No, never say never.
Yeah, I live the opposite of what suckers envision. So I do this for my hood and my brothers in prison. Even though I'm underrated, when they overrate you, they oversaturate you. I'm just glad I motivate you. So when I tell you you can make it, that shit is the truth. And nigga, I ain't just talking, I'm visual proof. They ask me if I'm stopping, I live in pursuit. Cause I'm the rare combination of wisdom and youth. I recite it from the heart and never off the pad. Cause I fell in love with music when I lost my dad. Before I ever knew it'd be me in this rapping, that was the very first day I felt evil attacking. It used to wake me out my sleep in the midst of my dreams. So haters trying to stop my goals ain't as sick as it seems. I appreciate the rain just like I love the joy. My father died so I could have this. Love you, boy.
If I reach for the sky and I aim for the stars, maybe I'll find something along the way. And no matter how you count me out, I will never let you break me down. No, never say never.